Hi guys, Scott here from C2 Renewable Solutions. Just wanted to let you know today about pretty much our most frequently asked question whenever we are talking to a potential client about a new solar panel installation. And predominantly we get asked, will a solar panel system be able to eliminate all of my electrical costs? And the honest answer is it's unlikely. But could it make a significant impact on those bills? Absolutely. And I just wanted to let you know why. So the average household in the UK uses roughly around about 4,000 kilowatt hours, 4,000 units of electricity. That's what the government believe the average household uses. Now, a standard 14 to 16 panel solar panel system is likely to produce in the UK around about 4,000 kilowatt hours. So if you're using 4,000 and you produce 4,000, you could eliminate all of your bills. However, you will use electricity in the nighttime, electricity in the morning, when the solar panel system, without any battery storage, is unlikely to be generating enough to power your home. And predominantly, a solar system, again without battery storage, would generate the majority of its power through the spring, summer, early autumn months. And very little will be produced in the dark winter days of December and January, when you need the lights on from about 3 o'clock, that kind of thing. So will it eradicate all of your electricity bills? No. But would it significantly impact your bills? Absolutely. So we believe on average that it's reasonable to assume that you're going to utilize around about 30 to 50%, depending on what your individual usage is like, without battery storage. With a battery storage facility, again, depending on the size of the battery, you can make an even bigger significant impact to those bills. So there lies the will it power my home constantly throughout the year, every single day? It's unlikely. However, will it make a significant impact? 100%. And if you adjust your lifestyle a little bit as well, without battery storage, if you were, when the sun's shining, if you're putting the Hoover on or you're putting the washing machine on, of course you're going to increase that self-sufficiency, increasing the usage of your own electricity. Well, hopefully that's been a little bit interesting for you. Okay, speak to you next time. Thank you.